Number 13. Write the counting numbers just before and just after 3, 2, 4, 6 and base 7. So think about what we would do if we were looking at this number, in base 10. So we'd say, well, I've got 3, 2, 4, 6. The number right beforehand would be 3, 2, 4, 5. And the number right afterwards would be 3, 2, 4, 7. And so, this is in base 10. Can we do it in base 7 or base 5 and other bases? And the answer is, sometimes yes, sometimes no. It really depends on what digits we're allowed to use. So recall that in base 7, the only digits you can use are 0 through 6. So once you get to 6, we don't have 7, 8, or 9. So that means I'm going to have a problem with a 7 over here. So how do we get past that? So again, when we're counting, think about base 10. You go 0, 1, 2, 3, all up to 9. Once you hit 9, then you go to 10. So you go 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Same thing in other bases. So once I hit the end number, 6, the next number is going to be 1, 0. Then 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. I don't have 1, 7 because I can't have a 7. So the next thing I'm going to think about it is like I kind of roll over, becomes 2, 0, 2, 1, and so forth. So what I need to do is come up here and replace 7 with some equivalency. So really I'm going to end up replacing the 4 and a 7 is going to get replaced with 5, 0. So the number immediately before, that one's not an issue here. So I've got the number beforehand is going to be 3, 2, 4, 5 and base 7. And the number after is going to be 3, 2, 5, 0 and base 7. Okay, so that's before and this one is after. Let me go ahead and do another example to kind of illustrate this. So let me take the number 413 and base 5. So the number immediately beforehand is 412, base 5, and afterwards would be 414, base 5. These don't present a problem because I'm only using the digits 0 through 4. Now what happens if I reverse them? So let's take the number 314 and base 5. So now the digit or the number beforehand is 313, base 5, and after would be 315, base 5. But again, I've got this issue because I cannot have a 5 in base 5. So I'm going to take 1, 5 and replace it with 2, 0. So my number afterwards is going to be 3, 2, 0 and base 5. So before and then after.